Hello everyone, my dear viewers. Today I will tell you how to create this square motif. And before the video, please put likes, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. This motif I knitted with a 2mm crochet hook. The yarn I used is called Pakorka, Baby Novelty. In this work I used 3 colors. Let's get started. Knit everything is very, very simple and beautiful. I liked this motif because the whole square is knitted with 3 kinds of stitches: stapled stitches, unstapled stitches, and air loops. You won't need anything else for this square. Well, of course, we always when knitting, do not forget about a good mood. Such a square you will get. I will show the scheme at the end of the video. The most important thing is that such a square is knitted in a few rows. We can directly count these rows. You will get 7 rows of such a beautiful motif. Using this knitted motif, you can knit a plaid, a pillow, or a chair cover from it. First, I knitted a ring of yarn. Then, I knitted their 2 posts with an overlap and 3 air loops. Then, in the arches, 5 stitches and 1 air loop. After that, a post, an addition, a post, an addition, a post, an addition, a post, an addition, an air loop. Here we knit 5 loops without additions, without any trimming. Then, a post, a decrease, a post, a decrease, and after that, a big decrease. In the end, we got this very, very beautiful motif. That's it. Put likes, subscribe to my channel and write comments. Bye bye.